Hey folks, I'm back with more kitchen wisdom to spice up your cooking game. But first, why did the chef always win the singing contest? Because they had the perfect pitch in the kitchen and on the stage. Whoa! Now listen to this great kitchen hacks. Ever bought those massive herb bundles from the supermarket only to watch them wilt away in the fridge before you can use them all? Well, worry no more. Here's the fix. Prepare your herbs as usual and then freeze the leftovers in ice cube trays. That way, you'll have perfectly portioned herb cubes ready to rock and roll whenever you need them. If you're more into frying with herbs, here's a time-saving trick. Freeze them together with the right amount of olive oil. Easy peasy. Now let's tackle the issue of limited stove space and too many veggies to cook. No worries, my friends. Get a sieve and hang it in the broth of another veggie. Voila! You're cooking both at the same time without the hassle of sorting them out later. And speaking of saving the day, avocados turning brown got you down? Fear not. Keep the cut avocado with its pit and half an onion in a jar in the fridge. Problem solved. Now let's talk pizza, one of life's greatest pleasures. But baking 2 pizzas at once can be a real challenge. Well, fret not. Just cut each pizza in half, and you can easily bake 2 pieces together on a single rack. No more uneven cooking. Leftover pizza? No worries, my friends. Just pop it in the microwave with a glass of water on the side to keep the crust crispy. And what's better than a deliciously gooey cheese-topped toast? But firing up the whole oven for just 1 slice? Nah. Turn your toaster sideways and gently slide in the bread with cheese. Keep an eye on it until it's perfectly melted and catch it as it pops out. Easy and energy-saving. Oh, and let's not forget the ginger. Want to peel it without losing half of it? Grab a spoon. It's that simple. All right, guys, that's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome kitchen hacks. Until next time, keep cooking like a rock star. I'm out. Cheers!